Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you how you can run Adobe Premiere Pro CC software on your mobile very easily. If you missed this video, then you will not understand at all, you will have made a mistake somewhere. You are requested to watch the video completely so that you can understand everything well, so let's start this video today. Friends, first of all let's know that, what is Adobe Premiere Pro CC? Friends, Adobe Premiere Pro CC is a professional powerful video editing software. This software you can edit the video as you want. This software is very powerful. To run this software, it requires a very heavy machine. Now let's talk whether you can run this software in your mobile or not. Because this software is very powerful, then will this software be able to run in your mobile or not? So let's know. Friends, if you want to run Adobe Premiere Pro CC software in your mobile, then it is not possible at all. You cannot run this software in your mobile because this software is made only for computer or laptop. This software is only for you. Apart from this, if you have a Mac, then you can run this software very easily on that too. Friends, this software is very powerful. To run it, it is very important to have a powerful computer or laptop. And it is very important to have at least 8 GB to 16 GB RAM in your computer or laptop. Without this you can install this software in your computer or laptop. Cannot run. Friends, if you do not have a graphic card in your computer or laptop, then Adobe Premiere Pro will work very slowly in your computer or laptop. This software may take a lot of time to load in your computer or laptop because the graphics card to run this software are also required. If you are thinking of running this software in a cheap computer or laptop, then it is also impossible because this software will not be installed on it. Then friends, I hope you have understood everything well. I know that you can use this software. If you want to run in your mobile, friends, you cannot run Premiere Pro software on your mobile, but you also have many powerful video editing software for mobile. You can use those software to edit your videos. Then friends, I hope you have liked this information very much. If you have liked this information, then please like the video and share this video as much as possible with all your friends. If you have any question in your mind, if you have suggestions, then I will definitely reply to your comment by commenting below. If you want to see more such videos, then please subscribe to this channel because you keep getting such useful videos on this channel. If you subscribe, you will get the most notifications of our videos. If you keep meeting first, please subscribe. I hope you like this video. Thank you all very much for watching the video. Have a nice day.